Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I'm going to show you, here I'm working with the Chamberlain garage door opener. It's not going down. So if I go to my button over here and just hit enter, see how it starts and then stops, then we blink, blinking over here. So sure way that something's done wrong. Essentially what I'm thinking is that it's my sensors. And the first thing I always do is check my sensors, make sure my lights are on. So you can see here, the light is on. And then my light over here is also on. It's orange. This light's always orange. It's never green. But if you go up to the back of your Chamberlain opener, you'll see, sorry, I got the bright light there, but this bottom arrow and top arrow are actually blinking. So if I go ahead and unscrew that, you can see it's blinking, and what it's doing is giving us an error code. So the top one's the one I'm paying attention to. It's blinking 4 times. The bottom one's blinking 6. The bottom 6 is telling me the error code, if that was it, would be a new motherboard would need replaced in here, which you're better off just buying a new one, in my opinion. I'm not gonna pay to have a motherboard put in. But the top one here is blinking 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 blinking up top, looked up online, it means that there's a misalignment between my reversing safety sensors. And this might be even a little harder to show, but that green light is not steady. My hand keeps getting in front of that, that's why it's going off. It's not steady, it's blinking a little bit. So what I like to do is I have 2 things. I have my mallet and I have my tape measure. First thing I always do is tape the sensor from the bottom up to see where it lines. So we can see here I have it set right at about 18, right in the center there. And then if I go over to my other side, I am also set at 18. Now, that doesn't make any sense. But because this green light over here is putting off just a little bit of a blink. And like I said, the phone might not pick it up because it's so rapid. It's just not steady. It has a little blink to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my mallet to adjust, either up, and that actually, now again, I'm not sure if you can tell that it's a little more steady there. So I went up probably a little bit, about a ½ inch. Now, why is mine taped? Also a good question. The screw broke off. It got weathered. And so I'm still at 18, but I have a much more, it's a steady glow there. So let's try it. Let's go over. I don't know if you know this on your keypad. Once it's open, all you have to do is hit enter. And there we go. So it was definitely an adjustment. It's going all the way down. Go ahead and put it back up. Was definitely a little adjustment on our sensors. So what I want to do is just go back up to the top here and see if we're blinking still on the top. We are not, nor the bottom. So again, if you're going to check your codes, I would look at the top arrow here as your indicator. And I just looked up online, there's about 6 or 7 error codes that'll come up depending on how many times this blinks. And that lets you know what's wrong with it. So like that feature. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, put them down below. I always monitor, so I will answer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.